Hello, Asta here and welcome back to my channel. So I know I'm actually late to this party, but I really want to create this gorgeous Kim Kardashian Met Gala 2019 makeup look. I'm absolutely obsessed how it looks. It's a gorgeous spotlight eye with very dewy, that looking skin and the hair, and oh, it's just gorgeous look. So I hope you'll enjoy it and thanks for watching. So I'm just starting prepping my skin, so I'm gonna do a little cleanse to my skin. I'm using my micellar water. Next step I want to do is to moisturize my skin, and because I have a combination oily skin, I'm going to use this Embryolisse Emulsion Hydra Matte Moisturizer. I'm going to start with my eyes, and Kim Kardashian had this amazing spotlight eye effect, and I know that Kim's makeup artist Mario used eye palette, Kim Kardashian Makeup by Mario palette, which I don't have, but I will be using my Huda Beauty Rose Gold palette because it has two similar shades that it's been used to create that look, so I'll be using that. I will be using sandalwood color first, so I'm first applying this color in the outer part of my eye, and I'm extending it out a little bit towards the brow bone. I'm doing the same in the inner part of my eye, just applying the color directly into my crease and a little bit above. So I just want to keep the center of my eye free of product for now. And then whatever is left on the brush, I'm just lightly blending it on the upper crease, just to make sure there's no harsh edges. And then I'm going to do another eye, same thing. Once I have the rough shape of the eye, I'm going to take another brush and I'm going to use the same color. The only thing is I'm going to use it in the same placement that I used the other brush, just to deepen and intensify this eyeshadow even more. And because the brush is smaller, it's going to give me a better color payoff. So now that I'm happy with my shape and intensity, I'm going to switch to a smaller brush, and now I'm going to use another color, the color Henna, this one here, and it's actually a nice kind of orangey brown, and I'm going to intensify the inner and outer corners of my eyes even more, starting with the outer corner. And then I'm going back to my previous brush and blending the edges out, making sure the one color transitions nicely into another. I'm not taking any product on this brush, it's just whatever is left there from my previous use. I'm repeating the same step on the other eye. So this is how our eyes look so far. We have just two colors applied, and I left the center of the eye free of product because I'm going to apply more of a shimmers and glitters in that part, because Kim Kardashian had this nice halo eye and it was so nice and dewy in the center of her eyes. So I will try to recreate the same or similar look. So first, for the center of the eyes, I'm going to go in with Ingloss pigment, and it's in color 180, and I'm just gonna go and place it in the center where I left it free of product, so I know then where my glitter is gonna go. To just create more dimension, I'm just going to use another product as well from Ingloss. This one is pigment again, it's 118. It's more of a chunkier glitter bits in it. I don't know if you can see in the camera, but by using different kind of texture and different kind of products, it's easier to create that dimensional look to the eye. So now I'm going to wet my brush. It's the same brush, I don't know, there's no name, I don't even know where I got it. Any synthetic flat brush will do, so I'm gonna spritz it with the finishing spray just to make it wet, and I'm gonna go and dip it into this pigment and gently press that onto my lid, or in the center of my lid. And then I'm gonna finish off with this Stila liquid eyeshadow, and this one is Diamond Dust. I'm gonna just use the same brush again, just take some at the back of the brush. I'm gonna gently press that on the same area, just to get this pop of glitter in the center. I'm taking black kohl pencil, this one is from Kiko, and I'm just gonna apply a thin line here above my lash line. I'm just gonna smudge this line out to make it softer and more smoky. And I'm winging it out a little bit, just a tiny little wing at the end of the eye. And then I will be doing the same on the other eye. It's time to do the bottom part of the eye, and from what I've seen on Kim's pictures, it seemed like she has a really dark brown underneath the eye area, so I'm gonna try and do the same. I'm going to take my MAC coffee pencil and I'm going to just apply that underneath the eye first. And I'm doing that from the outer edge of the eye all the way to the inner part of my eye. Then I'm still using the same brush that I've used on the top lash line just to smudge this pencil out. So then into my waterline, I'm going to apply Inglot gel liner. It's the color 90 and it's a nice dark brown. It actually lasts longer than your normal kohl pencil in your waterline, so it never runs. So once I have this done, I'm just going to take the same brush and just run along the lash line just to make sure the gel and the kohl pencil is actually blended in nicely together. So now I'm taking this sandalwood color from the palette, the first one I've used, and I'm just gonna lightly blend the bottom part of my eye just a little bit. I'm switching to a smudger brush and I'm taking color henna and further smudging the bottom part of my eye. Okay, so it's time to apply lashes, and for lashes today I will be using my favorite ones. These are from Baby Doll Lashes. It's the Style 723, it's the 3D silk lashes. Kim had really spiky looking eyelashes, so I thought these would be ideal, so I'm just gonna apply that off camera. So I have applied my lashes and I did some mascara on the bottom part of my lashes as well, and now it's time to clean up the mess I made underneath the eyes. So I'm just taking a Q-tip and removing any fallout that there might be. So I will be starting my face with Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter and number 3. Kim Kardashian had super dewy looking skin, so this will give me kind of similar effect, I think. So I'm just taking some and applying all over my face, and I'm gonna just use my fingers to blend it in. You can use the brush, it doesn't matter, whichever works. So this filter really blurs your imperfections and preps the skin for foundation, and it leaves this nice dewy looking skin effect. For foundation today I will be using this Clinique one, and it's the new Even Better Refresh foundation. Next up, to apply concealer, and I'm going to use Charlotte Tilbury this Magic Away Liquid Concealer in number 3. So you can already see how much difference the concealer makes. It actually just makes the whole eye look pop even more. So to blend the edges, I'm just going back to my foundation brush to make sure that my concealer is blended in together with my foundation. So next thing I want to do is to use liquid bronzer to bronze up my skin, and I absolutely love this one here. It's the NARS Laguna bronzer. It's the liquid version. So I'm lightly stippling that onto the contours of my face. So by stippling it, it kind of makes it easier to blend it into your foundation and get a nicer, softer effect. For liquid highlighter, I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury Beauty Wand, Hollywood Light Beauty Wand, and I'm just gonna apply some more highlighter on the highest points of my face. To further contour my face, I will be using this Laura Mercier bronzer. It's a 03, it's a nice kind of bronzy shade. So for blush, when I looked at the pictures, it didn't seem that Kim has a lot of obvious blush. So I'm gonna keep it very lightly as well. I will be using this MAC one. This one's Warm Soul. To get more of a glowy finish and highlighted finish to the skin, I'm taking my Becca Cosmetics Champagne Pop highlighter. The second last thing to do is my brows, which I will do off camera, and then I'm gonna come back and show you what we're gonna do with the lips. So here is my eyebrows on, and let's move and do the last step for this look is the lips, and I'm going to use 2 lip liners. Kim had very gorgeous nude lips, so this is what I'm trying to achieve as well. So first I'm starting with color Strip Down from MAC. Then I'm taking Stone Lip Pencil from MAC, and I'm gonna just create like a shadow effect and a bigger pout impression. So for lips, I'm first going in with MAC Peach Stock. And then for the center of the lips, I'm taking MAC Cream de Nude. So here is the finished look. Do I look like Kim Kardashian? I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Spotlight eye is actually one of my favorite eye techniques to create, and I absolutely love how it looks. It's just so nice and sultry and gorgeous. So if you did like this video, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see my future videos as well. And for now, I'm saying goodbye, and I'll see you all next week. Bye!